Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best treadmill for home workouts in 2026, this video will help you choose the perfect one. Today, we're covering the top 5 best treadmills, starting from the best option and going through all top picks. We'll cover features, performance, pros, cons, and who each treadmill is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. RHYTHM FUN Treadmill with Incline. The RHYTHM FUN Treadmill takes the top spot with its incline support, app connectivity, foldable design, quiet motor, and 300-pound capacity. It's designed for both home and office use. This treadmill delivers the best balance between performance, features, and price. The motor runs quietly, making it ideal for home environments, and the folding design saves space. The app connectivity helps track workouts and improve fitness progress. It's beginner-friendly, but still powerful enough for regular training. Pros: best value for money, app connectivity for tracking workouts, quiet and smooth operation, foldable space-saving design, stable and comfortable performance, suitable for most users. Cons: not ideal for intense running training, app compatibility may vary. Best overall treadmill for most users in 2026. Number 2. 3.0 HP Small Portable Treadmill with Incline. This portable treadmill features a 3.0 HP motor, compact design, incline function, and 300-pound capacity. It's lightweight and built for home use. This treadmill offers strong performance in a compact size. It's powerful enough for jogging while still being easy to store. The handle support improves safety, making it great for beginners and small apartments. Pros: compact and lightweight, good motor power, budget-friendly, easy storage and portability, beginner-friendly. Cons: basic display features, smaller running area. Perfect for small spaces and budget buyers. Number 3. JAGJOG Treadmill with Auto Incline. The JAGJOG treadmill features a powerful 3.5 to 4.5 HP motor, auto incline, 12 high-intensity interval training programs, large LED touchscreen, heart rate monitoring, and smart app connectivity. This treadmill is built for serious fitness training. The powerful motor supports running workouts, the incline adds intensity, and the wide running surface provides comfort. The preloaded programs help users stay consistent. Pros: strong motor performance, automatic incline training, large touchscreen display, heart rate monitoring, multiple workout programs, fully assembled setup. Cons: heavy and takes more space. Best for serious runners and advanced users. Number 4. Walking Pad Treadmill with 12% Auto Incline. This walking pad features a 12% automatic incline system, 450-pound capacity, RGB LED display, Bluetooth speaker, and compact under-desk design. It's very durable and perfect for low-impact workouts. The incline feature adds challenge to walking sessions, and the quiet motor makes it ideal for office use. Pros: 12% automatic incline, very high weight capacity, compact and portable, quiet operation, built-in Bluetooth speaker. Cons: limited running capability, shorter running surface. Best for office workers and walking workouts. Number 5. Proform Carbon Treadmills. The Proform Carbon Treadmill offers professional quality performance, space-saver folding design, built-in fan, and smooth running support. This is a reliable treadmill from a well-known fitness brand. It provides excellent durability, comfortable cushioning, and stable performance for long workouts. Pros: trusted brand reliability, smooth and stable performance, built-in cooling fan, durable construction, good for walking and running. Cons: more expensive than budget options, large when in use. A reliable premium treadmill for long-term use. That's our list of the top 5 best treadmills in 2026. If you want the best overall value, choose the RHYTHM FUN Treadmill. For serious training, go with JAGJOG. For compact home use, the portable treadmill options are great choices. Check product links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. Thanks for watching.